Hi everyone, and now I'm going to explain how do you use Jamboard. I gave you the link for the Jamboard already, and every time when we need to, this is an example, I will put on the instruction, and sometimes we can use it to group people, and sometimes you can share your items on the Jamboard, and it's very easy for you to use. Other people can see all your posts. It's like a bulletin board. I want everyone to see it. So in the Jamboard, we have used it in different ways, and like this one, sometimes they use they use the to put their name on. Sometimes they use to make their stamps or something like that. And for instance, for this online session, I want you to share your favorite song. I put it in different uh, page. This one for peer 1, peer 2, peer 3. You can find your peer number and see where do you post. And when you post, you're going to find your song. For instance, I found my song and I like to dance with the song. So I told you that my favorite song is the name of it is 九岁的蝴蝶. And I crop the image. See, I share the song and I crop the image. When we are cropping the image, this is my MacBook. So I use Command Shift and 4. And then I can crop the image. This is from YouTube, a song that I like and I like to share. And when you want to share your image, you add image, drag it from my device. I always crop it on the desktop. So this is your song, and you can resize it to make it fit. I want to make it fit and put it on this Jamboard. And when you're doing your homework, you need to click an image of the song, and you need to write the name of the song, YouTube video, and your name. And so I want you to crop the image from the Jamboard and post it on your slide. So you Control Shift 4. I crop the image. This is my song. And on today's homework, on the spot, I ask you what is your song, and you will put it on. For instance, my favorite song on Jamboard is over here, and you insert image, upload from computer. And this is the one I get. So you crop your image over here to show me you have done your work. Okay, this is my example. I want you to put your example on the side so you can see that it is how you do it. And that is how we use a Jamboard and put it on your slide. Okay, that is how we do it. It's done. Thank you.